August 24, 2023. Police were conducting a traffic stop after observing a vehicle failing to come to a complete stop.
2VI, it's going to be on a silver Taurus. Final stop 3604 from me.
Sit in the car, boss. Can you sit in the car? Can you sit?
Charlie 14 Myers, status 24, and we get back.
I stopped completely.
I couldn't hear you.
I stopped completely. That's why I waited there, and then I used
I'm saying when you made the right turn from Polk.
Sir, I didn't do that, but that's what you're saying. Okay. I'm not arguing with you.
Did you serve in the military?
Yes, sir.
Which branch?
Army.
Thank you for your service, man.
Yeah, because that's crazy.
Is this car yours?
This is my mom's car.
Your mom's car? You have the registration and insurance of it?
I'm going to call her right now. Can I call her?
That's fine. Step out of the car for me. Hang up the phone for me.
Hang up the phone.
Hold on, man. Let me see what it's telling me. Is it?
Come out for me.
Is there a reason?
Huh?
Is there a reason?
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Let him explain it.
What's the reason?
Let him explain it.
Hold on, let me.
Hold on.
Let me figure out.
Open the car and get out of the vehicle for me.
I am. I'm trying to see.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Okay, can I get my stuff?
Nope. Get out of the car.
So you don't have a license, but your license is not
Whoa.
valid.
I do have a license. Sir. Sir.
Relax. Hey. All right. You're just detained right now.
Oh, they detained.
I'm only gonna say this one more time. Drop the bag and get out of the car. Don't grab bottles. Don't grab stuff. No, we don't need that stuff. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I didn't do nothing.
Drop. You don't need that.
Sir, can you tell him stop touching
Get out of the car.
I didn't
Get
do
out of the
nothing.
car.
Excuse me.
Get out of the car.
I'm gonna get out.
Okay, get out of the car.
Excuse me. Can I step out?
You're just gonna step out now.
Can you back up a little
No,
bit?
we're not doing this. Get out
I'm
of the car.
trying to get out. Ouch, ouch. I'm trying to get out.
Turn around for me.
That's
Turn
all
around.
I wanted to do.
Turn around.
Wait, can I? Sir.
Nope.
I'm turning around. I'm turning around.
Stop.
Ouch.
Stop.
Why is it
Stop.
to me?
Stop.
Why is it
Stop.
to me?
Stop.
Sorry, stop, please. Can you? Stop! Ow! I'm trying.
Get out of the car.
I'm trying. My watch. My watch. Take off of my watch. Take off of my watch.
Turn around.
Take off. No.
Post on her head. Post on her head.
Take off
Post
my
on her head.
watch. My watch.
Post on her head.
My watch.
Bring this wrist underneath.
Sir, my watch. I want to take off my watch. Sir, please. Please. Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
You're not.
Ouch!
You have
Hey,
to
it's hot! It's hot!
give me your
Secret thing. Am I? You gonna take me in?
What's your
Are you
people?
taking me in?
your hand. Put your hand under it. Give me your hand. Stop. Give me your hand.
Oh, it's hot! Please.
How you doing, ma'am? You're gonna get tased.
You're about to get tased. Give me your hand.
Ma'am?
Just comply.
Comply.
Give me your hand.
Comply.
Give me your hand.
Hands.
Give him your wrist, and that's it.
Hands.
Give him your wrist. Give me
Hands.
Oh, I am.
Last time. Hands.
Your hand.
It's hot.
We understand that you're not.
Yeah, with my hand, please.
Give me your hand.
Ow! Ow!
It was that simple. It was that
Please
simple.
take off my watch! My watch! Please take off my watch! Please! Sir, can you take off my watch? That's all I asked!
Let's go.
Wait, my watch here! Sir, please!
That's not how
I'm
this
asking
goes.
you! Here,
Ma'am,
sir!
you're going to the back of the car.
Okay, listen!
No, you're going to the back of the
Take
car.
off my watch so I can fit the handcuffs! Wait, take off my watch!
Nope, the watch is staying on you.
So I can
Listen, stop talking. You're going to the back of the car, and we're going to figure this out. Stop stop resisting. We're not doing
take
this.
off of my
No.
watch!
Okay, that's fine.
No, listen, squeeze off the watch! Listen!
You're going to the car.
My watch!
You're going to the car.
My watch!
Get in the car.
Take off my watch! Listen! it? How hard is
Turner.
it? How hard is it? My watch.
Get it,
Ma'am.
Get your leg in.
Sir, please, my watch is it's hurting me. It's hurting me.
Listen to
Sir.
what I'm saying. Bring your foot in and
Get your
stop
foot in.
resisting.
Bro, take off my
We
fucking
can't
watch.
do that if you're not paying
It
attention.
hurts.
All right.
Sir, it's hurting me. Take off my watch.
Good.
My watch. Sir, I just want the damn watch off. This shit is too tight.
Okay. But when you're fighting us, we can't take the watch off until you're done. That's right. What happened?
Bro, look at my knees, bro. I understand, sir. It wasn't about that. It's just my watch, bro. Like, and he was, you was okay, sir. He was already getting aggressive with me. You feel me?
Yeah, but you the whole time.
No, I apologize. I just wanted my watch off.
Okay, so are you gonna tell me what your real name is?
That is my name.
No, it's not. Have you ever been arrested before?
No, I'm not even from here, bro.
You've never been arrested ever.
No.
So if I come get a deputy to come check your fingerprints, you're not gonna show up on the database? Come on, be honest with me.
I am, bro. I just wanted my watch off,
Okay,
bro.
so
It
what's
was no problem, bro.
what's
My
your
wrist
real-
fucking hurt, dog.
What's your real name?
I just told you. I'm not lying to you, sir.
Because I ran you through a national database and your name doesn't come back. That's
National
impossible.
what?
That's impossible. Database. The state of Florida and all of the United States. Impossible. That's literally impossible.
I didn't lie about my name. You could my stuff is in
So
there.
if I get your fingerprints, that's what it's gonna come back to.
Yeah, I have identification in the car.
Where?
I'm not resisting
Okay,
nothing.
you were resisting. Where is your identification at? In your bag?
Yeah, the bag I was trying to get my
Right.
identification
And I-
before I got out.
So when I tell you drop your bag and come out of the car, you should do it. Instead of grabbing things, dropping bottles, telling me no, pulling your hand, right? Because all this could have been figured out if you said that that's your real name and your ID's in there, and I can verify that, then you wouldn't even been in cuffs right now.
I was trying to, okay, I'm wrong. I was trying to, before I got out the car, because I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
You didn't tell me why we were stopping.
I'm not going to tell you what's going on until I have you secured, because the name you gave me doesn't come back. That name doesn't exist. Name and date of birth you gave me does not exist. So either you're lying to me.
Or you spelled it wrong. I'm not lying,
how many
bro.
times
I
did
just scared to get some liquor, dog.
How many times did I ask you what your
Like
name
the
was?
fuck?
How many times did I ask you? Like 4 times, right?
You asked me how to spell it.
S-H-R-I-N. That's what you told me. And I have it on Bodycam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how is it possible that that does not exist?
I never said that, sir.
I'm telling you that name doesn't exist.
Okay, all I said was I apologize for resisting the whatever you want to call it.
Okay, so back to the bottom line. Is that your name, yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
bro.
I'll be back.
Wait, sir, can you take off my watch?
Ma'am, I'm not worried about your watch. Your watch, we'll take it off later. Are you ready to tell me your real name? Because there's no ID in your bag, so
It's supposed to be in my wallet, sir.
I searched your entire bag. Are you ready to tell me your real name?
I'm telling
Okay.
you.
When we go to the jail, I'll find out. If you have warrants, we'll find out. We'll find out.
How am I gonna go to the jail? I didn't do nothing,
You
bro.
resisted. You resisted. That's what you're going to jail for.
How did I resist? And
Listen.
You guys
listen
targeted
to me
us,
real
bro.
quick. Listen to me real quick. This is the last chance I'm giving you before we go to the jail. Because if you go to the jail and I have to find out through the system that you're giving me a fake name, then you're going to be charged with false IDLEO. So what's your real name?
I'm not giving you a fucking fake name, sir. I don't want to get out.
You're not gonna get out. So they want us to check you out. So tell me what's going on.
My side is hurting, bro.
Your
I
side?
can't talk.
What side?
This side, bro. My
This side?
knees, my knees too.
Yeah, it looks like you got cut up, but those are just looks like it's just
superficial.
I
yeah.
need some pills.
Pills for what?
My body.
Oh, I don't have
You
any
don't
pills.
have any pills.
How, bro? I'm telling you, bro. I'm finna pass out.
Pills aren't gonna help that.
So can you feel me? I'm shaking real bad, bro.
There's nothing I can do about the shaking.
Okay, they tased me, dog.
Okay. There's nothing I can do about any of that.
So why would you come?
They said you were injured. So.
I am injured.
Okay, all I can do, those are superficial, so there's nothing I'm going to do for those. These are all superficial wounds. There's nothing to do for those.
Please don't touch my wounds.
Go back in.
She gave you guys that.
Like the fuck? Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Bro.
Prescription.
We got it. Take it.
I got it. 354. 1316.
Turn around.
Now you got an escape charge. How you like them apples?
Hey, Jimmy, are you guys alright?
By no means, I don't need no disrespect.
We're past this respect. We're past that.
We're just north of the railroad tracks.
You good?
Stand up.
Okay, my knee.
No, it's...
Ow!
Copy.
Ow!
Jimmy, your phone's out in the parking lot.
Oh,
That's not your real name.
the one I
We looked
gave you.
at the photo. It looks nothing like it. Nothing like it.
Why? Real hitter. Yeah. Real hitter. Why?
I'm trying to eat.
Hey, I need to go to silence care. Suicidal. I need to go to silence care. Oh, my nose.
Bro, you gotta breathe. Alright, relax.
I'm breathing, bro.
Okay.
My body is flashing, dog.
Come on, man. Step out.
Before we transport you, I gotta search you.
Please, can you search me inside the car?
I
You just ran a
can't.
quarter mile, so you can definitely go to the car.
Let me just pull this grass out of your hair.
That's not the point, bro. I'm flashing like I don't feel good.
We're gonna get you over to the hospital. And I'll meet you there and we'll have a discussion.
Help me. I can't stand up. I'm telling y'all, bro.
Does she still have the
So what?
the prongs?
It's possible there's one in the hair.
Pull that one. Flores, can you get me a Sharps container? Can you get me a Sharps container? Just be careful, the prong is down there. I do, yeah. Yeah, it's open. Ow. What happened? Oh, where's the...
Is there another
Hold
prong?
on.
Hey, bro, I need to sit down, dog.
We're trying to find the other prong.
Do you have another prong in you?
I don't know, bro. This shit hurt.
Where is it hurt at?
It's electric.
Where does it hurt at? Okay, just have a seat.
For sure we're telling what's outside down.
Okay. Alright. We'll get her to the hospital. I'll search her there.
Keep your leg back in.
Let my window down.
The man was charged with driving with a suspended license and possession of cocaine. The woman was charged with escape from custody, giving a false name, resisting officer without violence, fraudulent use of credit cards, and drug equipment possession. Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.